Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a formula to an entire column in Excel. I'll cover methods that work in all versions of Excel first, and then some advanced techniques for Excel 365 users. Step 1. Basic formula for average sales. Suppose we want to calculate the average sales value. That would be total sales divided by the number of sales. Method 1. Select the entire column. Select all the cells in the column where you want the formula. Type your formula. For example, C2 divided by D2. Instead of pressing Enter, press Ctrl Enter. This copies the formula into all the selected cells at once. Method 2. Use Ctrl plus D. Write your formula in the top cell. Select that cell and all the cells below where you want the formula to appear. Press Ctrl plus D. This fills the formula down the column. Method 3. Using the fill handle. After writing your formula, click the cell. Look at the small green square at the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Move your mouse over it until it changes to a black cross. Double-click to fill the formula down automatically. Tip: double-clicking only works if there are no gaps in your data. If there is a blank row, you need to click and drag the fill handle down instead. Excel 365. Dynamic array formulas. In Excel 365, you can create formulas that spill automatically into the column. Write a formula that refers to the entire range of sales values. For example, equals sum open bracket C2 colon C10, close bracket divided by count open bracket C2 colon C10, close bracket, press Enter, and the formula will automatically fill the column. Extending the formula into blank cells. If you want the formula to extend into empty rows, select a larger range, including blank cells. Press Enter. You may see divide by zero errors in empty cells. Fix this by editing the ranges in the formula and adding a dot after the colon in each range. For example, C2 colon C10 dot. Press Enter. Now the errors disappear, and if you add a new record, the formula automatically updates. And that's it. Multiple ways to apply a formula to an entire column, from classic methods to the new dynamic arrays in Excel 365. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.